Hi, my fearless little sisters. So from what I saw online, it looked like an asymmetrical short kind of bob that comes down in an angle. I think it's razor cut, basic cap, which made it easier to afford. If you hear my Jon, he's trying to get upstairs for dinner. If not, just ignore, I'll try to. So anyway, I'm looking forward to that. That's a brand I've never had before, and I'm really knocking on wood that I'm going to enjoy it. So let's get out the box knife, and I got it right here for us. Okay, let's see it together. Cutting the box up for us. Oh, by the way, I'm an artist. I don't know if I've mentioned that, but I do fine art and abstract, contemporary artwork. In fact, that's one of mine back there, but that's kind of my job, basically. And I have a studio online in case you want to check it out. It's LipmanArtGallery.com. And you'll see my website and all about me and stuff if you're interested. If you're into wigs only, you know, I get that too. Pretty white tissue. Woo! That color's exciting. And this is a hang tag on a gold elastic. No personal note from Jon, but that's okay. I'll get over it. Most of you probably know I have alopecia. And so anyway, what I do when I have a hat, I'll show you. Take my glasses off. I have just enough sideburn because this is my alopecia line here. It goes here. In truth, I don't have a sideburn, see? But I just pull this forward to pretend. So this is the hair that I've lost. It's like a band where most men have receding hairlines that they have a little island up here and then they recede this way. Well, I think a lot of women recede the other way, where their middle little island goes away and the rest stays for a little while. I don't know how long it'll stay with me. But anyway, that's my situation. So when I put on a ball cap, I just pull these little guys forward just to pretend like there's hair under there that's worth showing. Maybe I should show you that. I trimmed my husband's hair before with, you know, one of those home trimmers that you buy at the drugstore, Remington. And there's nothing against Remington, but I'm not a hairdresser when it comes to cutting other people's hair, but I thought I could be because he has very little hair. Don't tell him I said that. Regardless, I did a pretty good job, I thought. And then today I got brave and thought, you know, underneath my wigs, I don't want to feel any bulk, or I just want to have a summer cut. So I put on one of those guards. And away I went on the back, okay? And I didn't know what I was doing, but I thought, what, you know, I'm going to wear wigs 99% of the time, so who cares, you know? I'm going to win or I'm going to lose, I don't know. So anyway, I'll show you before I mess it up too much. Okay, this side, I think I did okay. I can't see back there as well as you can. Can you see? I think I did about right. It's laying kind of good, but it got close compared to what I thought it would be. It was much shorter than what I thought. Now the boo-boo was right behind my ear. Hope the camera's picking it up. You can see my scalp through it. Now, I'm worried about that little thing, and here I am without a piece up here. But I acted like it's a big deal. You know, I was laughing at myself because who is going to care about that when you have half your scalp showing anyway? But that was my morning. You can see those tabs. You put your thumbs on the tabs, okay? And the bangs are in the front. You're, like you're diving in a swimming pool. I have to speak up because I forgot. Some people said my voice is too soft. So it's like you're diving in a swimming pool. You pull the nap of this back down over that. Wig grip, okay. Am I styling yet? And then I'm pulling these tabs to the center. And this is way too far in the front still, but I can work with it. And I'm just gonna move that back. Move that back onto my hairline. I think that's about where I want it. Pulling it just over that band just a little bit just to see. So, since I'm in my gallery office, art gallery office, I have a side mirror right over here, okay? Try to point right. So I'm gonna peek at myself here and see if there's any more adjusting I have to do, because it's hard for me to see into the camera as well. Looks like I need a little more color in my cheeks. I need that on the sun, I guess. But what do you think? Jon Renau. Woohoo! I'm wearing the Jon Renau. I'm going to spin it for you, girlies. Have you become fearless yet? Ooh, I feel kind of artsy with this on. What do you think? Now this doesn't have a root. I didn't remember that it would or wouldn't, to tell you the truth, but my others do, so this is nice to have one that's not rooted. I'm gonna lean into you so you can see the colors and if there's any definition to it that might be worth commenting on, if there's hair definition. And the bang is longer. I'll give you the dimensions in a little while, but I'm gonna just play with it for a minute, okay? This is a basic cap wig. I said that, but and I'm still learning about all the basic cap and the monofilament, I think they call it, which is the softer cap front here. But to tell you the truth, with that undergarment, I call it, sounds like a girdle or something, but or Spanx, that I put on. I have an extra one here so I can show you. With that on underneath here, okay, this part of the cap is, you know, that's just raw scalp under there. I have no cushion of hair. It feels fine, you know, so I don't know why you have to pay a whole bunch of money. You have to pay a whole bunch of money. Now that I've experienced this situation, I'm gonna pull this out so you can see some length. Now I'm getting excited. Can you tell once I get started, I get nervous in the beginning. But it's a nice long layer. And when you work your fingers in, you can feel the permatease, but I like that, to tell you the truth, because I'm used to having a little fullness up here, you know? When you come from the 80s and the disco years and the fun times of when you were young, you get used to having some body, and I used a curling iron or hot rollers here, and I don't know, it just gave me that that I wanted. So when I look at wigs, I kind of go for those that give me that little extra. I'm going to use my other mirror so I could sneak a peek on the side. Oh, I see now. That's cute. Oh, I like the neck. Do you like the neck? I'm talking to myself here, but I don't know. I like it. I like it. It's fine with me. And did I tell you how much it was? Let me put my glasses on so I get the right price. Hold on. I forgot to see what it looked like with my glasses. It's a different story. All right, so it's only $80, and it's an average size cap. Sometimes I want large caps, and they don't offer that, but they do have over 20 different shades in this wig. So you could go crazy and get a number of wigs if you want to. Yeah. I'm a customer, not a salesperson, so it's not something I benefit from directly, which is cool. You know, I want you to be happy with your selections and feel comfortable. That's why when I call you all, or I say I want you all to become fearless wig sisters, I mean it, you know, because I know what it's like to be nervous about being different, having limitations when it comes to your hair. And you see everybody else, you know, on these commercials flaying their hair around and styling and what's trending and, you know, all that stuff. And you think, my hair, number one, never did that. But you fantasize that just if I had a little more hair, I could do all that stuff. Even though you kind of know in your heart it's probably a little bit more of a fantasy situation there. But when you have something that you're comfortable in, like this to go to, count your blessings. That's what I say. The fibers of these wigs nowadays, I mean, I'm just feeling this. If this didn't have permatease under here, I would think that was real hair. Meaning human hair, like bio hair. It is really feeling good. That Jon, he knows what he's doing. He does. Mini burlier. Anyway, girlies, I'm digging it. But my heart is in it, you know? I want you to know that. We're going through a lot in this world, globally, not just the United States. And I know these are lonely times normally for some people that are suffering with illness, but on top of that, to have your friends and family to worry about and take care of, you guys are going through a lot. Speaking of taking care of your family, I better get going, you guys. I'm telling you, this was fun. This is a good time. So I want to hear from you. I really need your input about what you want to see, what kind of videos you want to see, content. From what I could tell from your comments, seems like you kind of like what I'm putting out. But I just want to hit it out of the park for you. I want to do everything I can. Because I was there and I've looked through, I'm a researcher too. I love to be online and research things and learn. So a lot of times people would demo wigs or unbox things, but they didn't put their heart out about what you're going through. I can't solve it, but I can relate. There's challenges that other people don't understand if they haven't gone through it themselves. So be open and honest with me. I mean, not everybody's is, you know, goofy and at the stage I'm at, and that's fine. I want to hear about all your challenges, if you want to call them that, or triumphs, you know, what you did that you're really proud of yourself, getting to the stage of maybe, you know, just let's say you put a topper on for the first time, which is, you know, just the top piece. Maybe you just need that for a little coverage, or maybe you just decided to tell somebody what your condition is and why things might be starting to change for you. That's hard to do. I know that. And it's hard for them to hear sometimes if they really, really care about you. They want you to stay the same. They want you to be the one that they know and can rely on, and to be up and possibly, you know, get on with life the way they expected you to. But this is probably going to change you a little bit, but it doesn't have to change your attitude. If you had a good attitude before, hopefully you can continue that and know that this is just a little bump in the road possibly for you. Or it might be a whole new chapter, I don't know. But it's whatever you make of it, okay? So love each other, and know I love you, and God bless you.